always give it when I ask for it, right? So this last one's a little bit softer. It's a poem that I've kind of called my signature poem. I usually sign off with it 90% of the time unless I forget what I'm doing, because I'm getting older and sometimes I do forget what I'm doing. Am I here? Yeah. Okay, this one's called Ink Stain in the Rain. And I wrote this one because I like that visual of an ink stain and then rain hitting it and becoming all kinds of different shapes. The poem has nothing to do with that, but that's why I wrote it. So this is a love song. Just love poem, sorry. The cold wind rapes and scrapes the soft, supple satin drapes in the cave of evening shade. Under gunmetal sky, cracked, splintered and dry, we play our magic and tragic masquerade. On the mantle of doom and foreboding gloom, we reached for this feeling we're chasing. We can't quite grasp enough of it. Just a quick silver touch of it. This dream, daughter, time is erasing. Then I feel your heart slip, so I tighten my grip on the trembling lip of the storm. Your body's a river, a fast-running shiver, and I can't seem to keep myself warm. Engulfed by the ocean and fading emotion, you let go of my hand. Tide sweeps you away, but bids my heart stay. Nothing is as we planned. Waves wash me ashore, lips parch evermore, never to taste yours again. Love letters and pain left out in the rain became a fading ink stain. Now, days without sun, the moon's come undone, and I've become the rain. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, guys.